I hate to tell everybody this, but Is Your Six Cover did not win that rifle. So
this shit's fucking rigged.
Well, he might have.
All right, here we go. 14. Is that a good number?
we'll find out. Oh, God. Jan be gay.
Say it again, Coda Boy. You cut out.
BePro.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I know, right?
Jan is gay? Alan BePro?
Jan is gay.
Oh, this
Jan is
rigged.
gay.
God.
Howdy, folks. Alan BePro here. Jan be gay. Well, hey, I have won the CMax rifle. Yeah, if you didn't know, Coda Boy 32 Tactical was throwing in the CMax rifle in order to try to raise funds for CMax. I will include his link below, like you don't know who Coda Boy 32 Tactical is. He did the draw on TRPrepper's chat. I will include his link below, like you don't know who TRPrepper is. If you don't know, you've been under a rock. But I was actually the winner of the CMax rifle. Just so that everybody knows, the as Coda Boy says, the CMax rifle, well, she's going to go down the road. That rifle is going to get donated to one of our family members here on YouTube. But the point of this video was I wanted to thank TRPrepper for hosting the draw on that. I also wanted to thank Coda Boy 32 Tactical significantly for the opportunity to get in on this. Folks, CMax is still fighting his fight. We're fighting it with him. Okay, I'm going to include his donation page down below. Bald and Curious and the Crazy Scotsman got a thing going on. All right, Bald and Curious has got a grand power going into it. All right, the Crazy Scotsman's got a Beretta going into this, and amongst many other things. Okay, so go check out both of those guys. I'll try to get their links down below. It's a lot of links. I'll try to remember them all. But anyway, Coda Boy 32, thank you very, very much. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. As always, keep the magazines loaded and one in the chamber.
This shit's fucking rigged.
Well, he might have.